Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So on today's video I'm sort of doing a Pinterest versus reality video. So I found something on Pinterest that I want to try out. Things on Pinterest quite regularly don't work out, or they don't work out exactly how they say they do on Pinterest. So I thought I'd do a fun little video of Pinterest versus reality. I'm not sure if anyone else has ever done one of these videos. They probably have. Most people have done most stuff that's on the internet. So today I found this one on Pinterest that I thought looked rather interesting. It is a DIY homemade cocoa powder tan. On the picture that we've got here. So on the picture we've got here, it actually says 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, any moisturizer, an empty bottle, and mix it all together. Good for super light girls. When you actually click into it, it has the different instructions. So this is from Thrifty DIY Diva. I don't believe that this person has actually tried it because it says, has anyone actually tried this? That's how it starts. So I came across this DIY homemade cocoa powder tan on Pinterest tonight, and I have to say the pic looks amazing. I am white as a ghost, so you betcha I'll be picking up a canister of Hershey's next time I go to the store. How to make it. 1/4, I'm assuming, cup of cocoa powder plus 1/4 cup of any moisturizer. Mix together and rub in. This will only last a short time and only apply 1 coat. If you try to apply more, it'll be a streaky disaster. Sounds easy, right? Let's see. So I have got my moisturizer, my goat's milk one, and I have got my Budget Bitch cocoa powder, and we are going to see if we can bronze, fake tan, whatever, with cocoa powder. So I got my bowl, and we are going to put in, first of all, I'm not sure about the measurements though, that's my only thing. Like, what if these measurements are off? So I'm going to take my cocoa powder. This better not make me messy. I love Pinterest. Does anyone else love Pinterest? Pinterest is great. Nothing ever works out how it's supposed to though. So I'm going to take my cocoa powder, I'm going to pour it into my measuring spoon. My measuring cup, sorry. Oh Jesus, it's going everywhere already. Okay, that looks about right. A little bit less. Alright, we're going to put that in the bowl. And then 1/4 cup of moisturizer. Does it say lotion? Moisturizer. This better work. I don't want to waste my moisturizer. I love this goat one. I bet I don't have enough. And there's my 1/4 cup of moisturizer. I'm going to pop that in the bowl too. If this works, this is going to be amazing. I'll be DIY bronzing all the time. Okay, and now we're going to mix it together. Oh God. See, I didn't think that the cocoa, that would be, that looks like way too much cocoa powder. That doesn't look like it's going to work. Looks like it could be a bloody pudding. Okay, we've got it mostly mixed in and it honestly looks like chocolate pudding or something. I feel like their measurements are off. This is what I mean. Pinterest is very all over the shop, because that first one said 2 tablespoons and then the next one said 1/4. I'm sus. Okay, we're going to try it on one arm and then I might add some more moisturizer if this doesn't work. So I'm going to take my, this is so gross. I'm going to take my bronzing, oh no, and it said 1 layer. Oh no. No, this isn't bronzing. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus, no. Who decided this was a thing? It looks like I'm smearing chocolate all over me. Oh shit. And it doesn't even smooth. Okay, let's see if we add some more moisturizer. This is going to help. Okay, yeah, their measurements are way, way, way off. I wonder if this dries down. Oh my god. Why did I do this? There's no way this can work. Oh my god. And now it's like peeling up. Oh no, this is not a hack. This is not a hack, people. Don't do this. I smell like chocolate. Like overpowering amount of chocolate. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh no! Look what happens. Oh my god. Oh my god, it like starts to peel off. Look. Oh. Oh shit, this is so gross. Okay. We're gonna try the other arm now because I've obviously added too much cocoa powder. So, oh yuck. I'm gonna roll up my other sleeve now. This is not a good idea. Pinterest, you're lying. Okay, so I'm gonna add some cream into my measuring cup now because I can't be bothered to walk back out to the kitchen. And I don't want to waste my moisturizer. Now I'm going to put the tiniest amount of cocoa powder in here now. Okay, now I'm going to mix, oh I'm going to take my watch off because my poor watchy is not going to like that. Alright, I'm going to mix my little bit of cocoa powder and moisturizer together and let's see if less cocoa powder works better for this apparently amazing hack. Okay, let's try this. No, it's not doing anything. Oh, that's right, I was told not to layer. God damn it. I don't see any difference now. Did I not add enough this time? Okay, let's add some more in. Okay. This is hard work. Alright, let's try that again. It looks like it will work. Oh, do we have something happening? Okay, that sort of worked better. Alright, it's all stuck in the hairs on my arm, making them look super dark and super thick. It's so gross. Oh my god, and yes, if you keep rubbing it, it all starts peeling on your skin. Why? Who came up with this idea? It's not a thing. This is 100% not a thing. Okay, so let's just say that that Pinterest hack, the DIY homemade cocoa powder tan, is a fail. I think I'm going to go and wash the cocoa powder mess off myself. And yeah, don't try this at home. So I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!